wait for a few people to hop on so I can get this live done. Where's everybody tuning in from? Put it in the comments. Let me know. I'd like to keep in contact with you. See if anybody's from my great state of Nebraska. Yeah, so how's everybody doing? Hi, Dawn. How are you? Thank you for viewing. How's your day going? Hope you're having an amazing day so far. I'm coming live today. Tuning in from Chicago. Awesome. I'd like to really go there one day. I've seen a lot of amazing pictures and videos and know some people that live there, and it's amazing. So yeah, the reason I'm doing a live today is, if you notice my title, 500 new members, and paid out in 1 week. That is simply amazing. This program is really taken off, and amazing things are happening. So, well, I'm glad you're having a wonderful day, Dawn. That's awesome. Hi, Monica. How are you, girl? You rock. I simply just love you. I love your spirit. You're so amazing. So, yeah. So, what's everybody doing today? Wow, South Africa. Amazing. Thank you for viewing. Yes, 500 new members in this amazing platform. Things are really taking off, and $30,000 in 1 week. I know, Monica, you're a sweetheart. Anyway, $30,000 in 1 week paid to its members. We're having an awesome webinar tonight, and I want you to come and join us, be our guest, see what we're all about, and get in on this amazing opportunity that is teaching everybody to how to get better engagement, how to make an income by simply doing simple tasks. So yeah, this is going to be an amazing webinar. We had a jam-packed one last week, and let's see if we can not double, but see if we can just get a few more people invited to this awesome program and this amazing webinar. I'm out here in my backyard. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm like a little chilly, a little cool this morning, but I'm toughing it out. So anyway, yes, webinar tonight at 7 Eastern Standard Time. If you'd like to join, please be my guest, and I look forward to seeing y'all there, and I hope you have an amazing day. 30,000 1 week. This program's blowing up, and I would hate for you to miss out on it. So if you're interested in learning how I'm doing, I don't know if you've seen my engagement on my Facebook page, but as well, and it's because of this business and this platform. Hi, Rochelle. How are you? Thanks for viewing. If you're viewing this now, hashtag live. If you're viewing it later, hashtag replay. That way I can review this and get back with you. So anyway, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be my guest. Come join us and find out what we're all about. You're gonna love this program, I guarantee you. And the payouts, and you know, we got new people making an income that have never made a dollar online at all in any program. So it's simply amazing. So I wish you the best. Awesome Wednesday, and I will see you guys tonight. So take care and have a great day.